Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm running the latest version of Windows 24 H2, and in this video I'll be showing you how to disable or enable a new feature called Windows Recall. So what is the Windows Recall feature? It was introduced in the 24 H2 update, and it's designed to work with AI-powered processors. However, Microsoft has enabled this feature across all systems, whether your processor has AI capabilities or not. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable this feature if you don't need it, or enable it again if you change your mind later. Let's start by disabling the Windows Recall feature using the terminal. First, open the terminal in administrator mode. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Terminal Admin. Now, let's check if the Windows Recall feature is currently active by typing the following command: dism/online get feature info feature name recall. As you can see in my case, it's enabled. Now to disable it, you need to run this command: dism online disable feature feature name recall. This will take a little time to process. Once done, you can recheck whether the feature is disabled by running the same check command: dism online get feature info feature name recall. And there you have it, the recall feature is now disabled. Okay, now if you want to re-enable the recall feature, here's the command you need to use: dism online --enable feature feature name recall. Again, it will take some time to load. Once done, you can check if the feature is enabled by using this command: dism online get feature info feature name recall. Now it shows that the feature is enabled again. There's also another way to manage this feature using the local group policy editor. Here's how you do it. First, open the local group policy editor by typing gpedit.msc in the Run dialog box. Now follow this path. User configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, Windows AI. In this Windows AI section, look for the setting called Turn off saving snapshots for Windows. Double-click on it, and you'll see three options: Not configured, Enabled, Disabled. If you want to disable the recall feature, select Disabled. If you want to enable it, select Enabled. Easy, right? So there you have it. Whether you want to enable or disable the Windows Recall feature, you can now do it either via the terminal or the local group policy editor. Personally, I recommend configuring both methods to ensure the setting sticks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.